inside the block of wood. This is for quarter log. We inspect for cracks. And then some of these can be used just because the way it goes on. And then I got to cut it to length. We got this saw marked out already to 7 inches. Most blocks are 7 inches. About 4 of these. There's already 2 made, so just cut 4 while we're at it. That one I won't use. That can be used. This just needs to be the base. There, we're going to move over to our router table. After that, we move to our router table, where we put the bevel on the outside edge. I've already got this one set up for the right depth. Tested by using a piece of the quarter log siding. We leave this thin strip there so that there's room for a caulk joint. And then we have to set up for cutting the actual hole. So I will unplug the router and change the bit. With these bits, I can set this for depth to cut right through a quarter log block, but it seems to work better, to be smoother, only cut halfway and then flip it over. So, we'll cut halfway and then flip it over. I have to set the edge thickness for my first cut, measuring on the sides here. Plug it back in, and we'll cut 3 of these out. I tossed one out and I only needed 2 to begin with. That first cut, I look at the grain and I try to cut across this way, or across the grain with a longer cut. On the edges, Typically, when I mess with the blade, I would unplug it, but I don't really have to, and all I have to do is adjust here for the second measurement. Cut this, and we will just cut across, connecting those. When it jumps across that one, it's hard to keep it from jumping. It's going deep over here, but that's why we're careful. Now these are finished, and we don't always really have to do anything else to them. But just here at Woodhaven, we like to give high quality to our customers. So I'm going to take them over to the other table where I'll typically sand these edges. And here we are at my sample kit table. Got a block of sandpaper on it. And I'll just sand these a little bit. Nothing too severe. All of that edge would be covered anyway by whatever plate cover goes on, interior or exterior. And now we have 3 nicely finished electrical blocks.